In this video, we're going to talk about the LM7805 voltage regulator. We'll cover what it is, its key features, the different packages and modules, the pinout, applications, and also the limitations. So let's get started. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And welcome to Polonium Technologies. What is LM7805? So what exactly is the LM7805? It's a fixed linear voltage regulator that provides a stable 5-volt output. You feed it a higher input voltage, and it regulates it down to 5 volts. Simple, reliable, and still very common in electronics projects. Now let's check out the key features of the LM7805 that make it so useful. It always gives you a fixed 5-volt regulated output, which makes it super reliable. Depending on the package, it can deliver up to 1 to 1.5 amps of current, enough for most small projects. It comes with built-in thermal overload protection, so it shuts down safely if it overheats. There's also short-circuit protection, so your circuit stays safe even if something goes wrong. And the best part, it's extremely simple to use. Just 3 pins: input, ground, and output. Next, let's look at the different packages of the LM7805 you'll come across. The most common one is the TO220 package, big enough to handle heat with its metal tab. Then there's the TO92 package, which is smaller and usually used for low current loads. And for modern PCB designs, you'll find surface mount versions like DPAC and SOT223, compact and efficient. Let's move on to the modules of the LM7805 that make prototyping much easier. These modules already come with the required capacitors, so you don't have to add them separately. You simply connect VN, Vout, and ground, and it works right away. That makes them perfect for DIY projects or quick power supply setups. Here's the simple pinout of the LM7805 so you know exactly how to wire it. Pin 1 is input, pin 2 is ground, and pin 3 is output, 5 volts. Now let's talk about where the LM7805 is actually used. You'll find it in power supply circuits where it ensures a stable 5 volts. It's common in Arduino and other microcontroller boards that need regulated 5 volts. A lot of sensor modules also rely on it. And of course, it's handy in almost any DIY electronics project that requires a clean 5-volt source. And finally, let's go over the limitations of the LM7805. Since it's a linear regulator, it's not very efficient. When your input voltage is much higher than 5 volts, the extra power turns into heat. At higher currents, it can get really hot and often needs a heat sink. And if you're working on battery-powered or high-efficiency designs, then a switching regulator is usually a better choice. And that's the LM7805 in a nutshell. Simple, reliable, and still one of the most widely used voltage regulators. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more practical electronics content.